When I was 14 years old, I lived in a small town. Its name was Turbo. I lived with my family, my mother, father, sister, and my brother. We lived very good, but the problem was I was bored at home, and I decided to go to another city. First, I have I have to record my video because I like the idea is my mother watched that video previously, but I didn't do anything. I decided to go to Bogota. I was a rebellious child. I didn't like to do anything at home. There was a grocery store at home. I started to help to my mom in this process, but my intention was to keep and save money to buy a ticket. Then I watched the news, but the idea was to decide what city they're going to travel. Okay, but I decide I'm going to travel to Bogota. But I was so child. When I saved my money, I hope that to my mom slept around 10 o'clock in the evening. When she was sleeping, I organized my clothes and organized my personal documents. And I went to the terminal, to transport terminal in Turbo. I bought a ticket and I went to Medellin. It was a wonderful travel because I didn't know anything in Medellin too. When I stay in Medellin, um, I had a breakfast and I bought a new ticket to Bogota. But I found a priest inside the bus. He watched to me and said, "Hey, where are you from?" I respond him, "I'm from Togo." He asked to me again, "Are you traveling alone or with your another family?" I said, "I traveling alone." But the priest noticed so very hungry and very bored too. He said to me a lot of recommendation and suggestion to return to my home, but I didn't pay attention to him, and I continued with my traveling to Bogota. When I stayed in Bogota, around 5 or 6 in the afternoon in the same day, I was so excited, but worried too, because I didn't know what are we going to do now. He found a police station, and he helped to me with my process. I explained him what happened, and he carried on to Bien Instituto Colombiano de Bienestar Familiar in Bogota. They received to me so happy, but I was worried and visitor because I so I'm excited, I'm worried, I'm crying even. In that institute, I received good attention from them. But the problem is I got a lot of problem with my peers, okay, with another children, other childrens too. Even by the way, I fought with what my peer or were my mate veteran. We was fighting because he said to me, "Hey nigga, black boy," at some in several expressions. It's for me it's an a gut bullying. He didn't like. He said to me that expression. Then, so in with this process according to to Instituto Colombiano de Bienestar Familiar, the psychologist and social work helped to me with my process. He called to my mom. He advanced with my process too. Finally, I returned to my home. I got home again, but I learned that I have to think with my decision, because it's very, very important to bear in mind that my family is the most important in my life. Never I going to escape when this when I child never going to escape with my home. Thanks for listening to me. See you next in another opportunity. Bye bye.